Finally, we have the skew property, which skews how it appears on the page. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the rotate and the scale and just leave the transform in so it moves it into the middle of the page a little bit. See? And then I am just going to go, there's some of my previous ones, go ahead and perform the skew. So let's take a look at an example of the skew real quick. Over here on w3schools.com. The skew here, you can either do the X and Y angle, or say skew X and have the angle, or skew Y and have the angle. So remember, X goes across, Y goes up and down. So we're just going to go ahead and do the skew and then declare both of our XY coordinates. So I want the skew 0, pick 0 degrees by the X, but 30 degrees by the Y. Hit save, we go take a look, and there's our skew. It kept the x-axis the same, but it changed the y. So right away, if you've taken algebra before, you know I messed up on my arrow directions at the beginning. If we do 30 and 30, it keeps it proportional. Not really, it really flips it very well, but it flipped both 30 degrees, so it kept it proportional that way. So it looks like it's kind of laying on its side. And if we go back in, I'll change this other one to 0, save. When we skew that way, looks a little different. 30 degrees is a pretty extreme skew. I was just demonstrating it at that magnitude so you could see how it looks. And notice again how it also, when it's skewed, also skewed the text, anything contained inside. So this would be a really fun way to kind of build a little bit of dynamics into your website. These are the different functions and properties for transformation.